I found a piece of summer in the shadow of the trees, a little golden moment floating gently on the breeze. The sidewalk held the sunlight like a memory in bloom, and I could hear my old dream